welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my niece's nails. She showed me a picture that she found on Pinterest. I'll go ahead and show it here on the screen. And she said if I could do something similar to that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I already applied her full cover tips. We use the enailcouture long sculptor square, but I cut them down a little bit because she has a 5-month-old, so we cut them down. But right here I'm using the enailcouture cooking gel. This is my first time using it, and then I'm using the Southern Glitter Shine, that beautiful dragon fruit glitter, and then some hexagons that match. And I just put a little bit of the cooking gel, and then I added some glitter and just mixed it around. And oh, I just loved it. It wasn't too thick, not too thin. She still wanted them kind of clear, so that's the look that we are going for there. And I absolutely love this. I thought it turned out so pretty, and now my daughter wants me to do some Hello Kitty nails using red glitter. So yeah, I just apply it to the nail. She wanted a little thicker on the nail bed, so you couldn't see a lot of the nail bed. And then I'm just going in and applying some little hexagon just randomly, just small ones and medium ones. So yeah, after I apply the hexagons, I just have her go ahead and cure. We did it for 60 seconds. And so I show a couple nails. We're just going to be doing that on all the nails. The first one I did there, the pinky, it came out a little thin. We were just like testing it out. And so she said, well, I wanted a little bit, you know, thicker, more glitter on the nail bed. So that's what we started doing, you know, after that. But yeah, I really liked that cooking gel. It flowed really nice, and it didn't make it too thick or bulky or anything. So yeah, I was like, ooh, I think that's my new thing, is using, because I have tons of glitters, so I'm like, I get to make my own kind of glitter polish. So yeah, I really recommend that cooking gel. I've had it there for a couple months and I've never used it, so the hexagons we were just putting randomly, just, I don't know, just kind of anywhere, leaving a little bit of space in some places because she wanted to put some stickers on there. So now I'm going to go in with the Wonder Gel, and I'm going to apply just a thin layer of this and then cure each finger, you know, cure it for 60 seconds. I only showed 2 fingers here, and I was kind of out of frame, but that's all I showed was 2. But yeah, just basically applying the top coat and then curing it for 60 seconds. And then we're going to use these stickers here, like hearts and stars. And they glow in the dark, so we're gonna put one on each nail, and she was just picking out which one she wanted on each finger. Alright, I just want to say I hit 400 subscribers the other day. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and support. I love all the comments and just all the positive feedback. This community is just so awesome. Thank you guys so much. To my nail sisters, thank you guys for just all the encouragement, positive, you know, words. I love you guys so much. So yeah, when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do my big giveaway. So let's get to 500. But yeah, thank you guys so much. These are the final pictures here. Some are outside in the sun. And then I also show the how the stickers glow in the dark. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.